Welcome to a brand new week in the global financial market. I remain your host, David from Esco Trader. This week, we're going to be looking at what to expect in the market. NFP non-farm payroll came out on Friday, and we saw what market did. We're going to be starting our analysis first from the fundamental news. What happened last week? We saw the data report on NFP, which was on Friday, non-farm payroll, and it came out good for the dollar. The report came out 177,000 expected. Actual, which was greater than forecast. Okay, so you can also do your findings, what actually happened. They've actually been a recent growth in the machinery and the farming sector in America. Okay, so this is talking about the farming system in America. So what are we going to be looking at this week? This week has some interesting upcoming data reports, most especially FOMC, okay, Federal Open Meeting Committee as well, is going to be releasing their reports and official bank rate on GBP as well. Then Friday, we're also going to be having Bank of England, Governor Powell will be speaking, Canadian dollar, unemployment rate too as well. So this week is quite a very interesting one. Monday, which we are going to be looking at today, which is going to be the CPI, which will be coming out by 7:30 a.m. Okay, so let us watch out for that too as well. Okay, so let's dive right into the chart. I'm going to be kicking my analysis from gold. Gold actually gave us a very surprising move further down. We saw 3269 level was broken, which was a very strong support. If you have been following our data analysis from the previous videos as well, so price came to form a new low. That is why I have this rent or horizontal line 3203, and we saw that price actually moved right back into the zone which was acting as a support. So what are we going to be expecting this week? This is about 700 pips plus. So this week we'll be expecting price to at least break out of this. Okay, so this is like a kind of a W shape, but we need to see a confirmation of a breakout of this level 3269.50. But if we don't get a reversal, we might be seeing price break below 3203.93 level area. Okay, so gold is a very very interesting currency pair, and you can actually catch all these opportunities on our premium group, Esco Premium Group. You want to be a part of that signal channel, just type interested on the comment section below. Okay, let us look at GBP JPY. GBP JPY, I have a buy position too as well. Remember guys, we have also been looking into these charts, and finally we are seeing market did respect the 50% Fibonacci to retracement. If you checked our Friday video upload, you would notice that we projected that price was going to come tap into the 50%, 61% Fibonacci to retracement of this upward movement. Okay, so what we're going to be seeing is a little bit of correction. This is from the 1 hour time frame. Let's look at 30 minutes time frame. Okay, so a little bit of correction before price pushing to the upside. So this is what I'm going to be expecting price to come tap into. Okay, so what we are going to be seeing is future higher highs and higher low formation on this. Okay, moving to the next one, GBP USD. Okay, we also gave a prediction on this which actually came out as expected, but let us see what price is going to be doing. This is from the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so these are for swing and day traders. Okay, you want to catch 100 to 200 pips or more. Actually look at these currency pairs that we are analyzing, and you can achieve your goal at the ending of the day. Okay, so we need to see price break 1.32522 level area, okay, to form a lower low and a lower high, because already that's what we are seeing, an ascending channel and a break, a retest, a continuation to the downside. If you look at the 4 hour, you can see that we have a lot to catch, 129 and also this level 127 level area. So going into this week, I'll be looking more of a bearish movement from the GBP USD level area. Okay, lastly, let's also look at USD JPY. Okay, on the H4 time frame too as well. If you also notice, we also gave this prediction too as well. I did something like kind of a table formation here. Okay, and I saw price actually broke above this previous resistance. Now we're going to be looking at that level. That level seems very interesting. This is the level I'm talking about. Very interesting. Okay, so this was acting strongly as resistance, like you can see. So you can see resistance, price broke above it to retest. So we'll be expecting a continuation to the upside. So I might be interested in this particular trade about 200 pips on max, but we are projecting 600 pips on this. Okay, so you have a lot of assets to gain this currency pair. Once I see your comment session below, then we'll take you right into our premium group where you can catch the signal on this. Okay, this week as well, we're going to be having free educational classes for beginner to advanced level. Do well to use the comment section below. Okay, it's for free. All right, guys, so I'm going to leave us to this whilst we also look at what the market is going to be doing in terms of Trump and the US and China economy. All right, guys, thank you, and see you guys in the next upload.